And next, one of my favorite keyboards at the moment is this one from Vissles. They did send this over to me to try out, but of course this is all my own opinion. So this is the Vissles LP85 keyboard. It has a 75% layout, so all of the function keys are still there. It has an aluminum chassis with RGB backlit and optical switches. I think this keyboard is pretty unique because it's kind of like a cross between a mechanical keyboard and the Magic Keyboard. The keys don't travel as far as the typical mechanical keyboard, but it is more than the Magic Keyboard. They also sound very clicky, which I was not used to in the beginning, but now I kind of like it. Let me give you guys a quick sound demo. I also really like the overall look of this keyboard. It looks quite similar to a Magic Keyboard, very sleek and minimal. So if you're looking for a nice keyboard that matches your MacBook aesthetically, then I would recommend checking this one out.